Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you run Excel on Windows with a version that includes the analysis tool pack. Once done, open your workbook and go straight to File, then Options, because that path controls add-ins. Next, choose Add-ins on the left. At the bottom, pick Manage. Excel Add-ins and hit Go. This exposes the checkbox. Check Analysis Tool Pack and click OK. This installs the Data Analysis command into the ribbon, so you can access. Once the add-in is installed, you should look under the Data tab to find Data Analysis on the right. If it still doesn't appear, make sure to customize the ribbon. Return to File, right arrow Options, right arrow Customize Ribbon. This controls which commands are shown. From there, select the Data tab, add a new group, then choose Commands from All Commands, find Data Analysis, and add it into your new group. Doing this reveals the button, so you can run regressions, t-tests, histograms, and more. To finish, click Data Analysis and pick the tool you need. Then specify the input range, tick labels if your selection includes headers, and set an output range or new worksheet ply. Once configured, click OK and review the results table and charts. If the Data Analysis button is missing, check Excel Options, right arrow Add-ins for disabled items, re-enable Analysis Tool Pack, or remove and reinstall the add-in. Also restart Excel. This resolves most visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.